Today we are going to unbox the board game version of Terraternity, the Energy Challenge by Igan Mich Games. Now this design looks almost exactly the same to the card game version that we unboxed last week. But right now we're going to take a look at this board game version. It's a Euro-style worker placement game with the same touch of dexterity as the small card version. Players need to literally balance the carbon emission of countries all over the globe, reduce our carbon footprint, and invest into green energy. So let's get into the box and see what is inside. Now this game is also designed by Udo Newman for 14 and up, takes an hour or two, and plays from 2 to 6 players. If you want to take a look at the lightweight version of this game, make sure to check that out in the links below after this video. So here's the full-sized rulebook. Well, you can see how it's supposed to be laid out on the table. It's going to take up quite a bit of space. The game overview, how to set up the different components of the game. That's the player board with all the information that you'll need, and it's going to tell us how to keep track of what in a little while. Here are some of the ways to become carbon neutral, which is the ultimate objective, and the power plant cards with the various roles that you need as well as resources. There's quite a bit of information. Now here's the characters: the creator, the scientist, the medic, the techie, the player board breakdown, workers, trackers, skills, power plants, actions, trades, and the victory section. I can't wait to take a look at this in detail later. Now this is the board. As you can see, it folds quite thick, so that means when it opens up it will actually be quite large. Looks like it's made of good quality cardboard. I don't see any peeling or warping. Here's the very large, vibrantly colored game board. As you can see, it barely fits into my camera screen. The colors stand out. Whoa, that's the disaster tracker. So you start and then when it's game over. And this goes around the globe with all the various parts. I think there are a few different tracks for the different roles. So here's a closer look. The disasters start here and they build your way up until the game is over. That's an energy card where you put it. The actions go to the right. You can see the different colors where the different specialists go around. Let's take a closer look at the countries. I'm gonna fold this so that you can take a closer look. That's the continent of Africa with all the different nations. I should think these are quite accurate in terms of the placement. I mean, for sure the colors are exciting. So we're gonna put this away for now, and okay, here are the player boards. As you can see, they are inlaid, so there are specific places where you can put your meatballs and cubes and trackers so that they will not run all over the board. Very helpful. And the colors. Oh, there's two sides. Male and the female side, whichever you identify with. I wonder if the special actions differ. That's creator. This one is scientist. Very bright yellow. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there's a research tracker. This is the medic player board. And this must be the techie player board. Alright, here are the various tokens that we will need. These are for water, and they have different numbers. Like that's 1. There are 5s. I don't know what these stars are for yet. These are metal tokens. Again with some colored stars and 1s and 5s. These are mineral tokens. Green stars. These are fossil fuel tokens. Again, 1 and 5 gray stars. These are the... oh, one dropped out. Money tokens. Same 1 and 5 denomination, but we have black stars. And we have these super vibrant, colorful bags of... what? What's inside? Cubes? Meatballs. Oh, can you see the outline of the character? And I think this is another one. Maybe the female. This looks like a carbon emission factory. One of the other kinds of power plants. Your different workers. Cubes to track your resources. What else do you have? You have a flag. I think that tracks the country or where you place it. There, I hope you get a closer look at the outline of all the various meatballs that are available in this bag. Are there any more? Okay, let's look at the blue ones. It's a... so what's in the blue bag? Oh, I see a wind generator plant, a wind power plant, flags, solar power plant. Whoops. More wind. What else? Alright, here's the green bag. This one's a little bit fuller again. We have got green cubes. You can tell the difference between the volume. This is the green, and that's the blue. Quite a bit of difference. Almost. The green one is almost full, and the rest are about half to a quarter to half full. So let's look at the green one. What's inside? Okay, green cubes, meatballs, but just lots more of it. I think that's because we're also tracking the green power that we are generating. What's in the yellow? Let's see. Okay, same shape tokens, same shape meatballs, just this. These are yellow cubes, yellow meatballs. That's red and green and the blue. These must be the black carbon cubes. Let's check. Can you see anything? Okay, so wow, look at that. That's the factory. So I apologize. The one before that may not be the factory meatball. These are the factory meatballs with those carbon emissions that we need to be careful about. And what's in the white bag? This is also a very smallish volume in this bag. What's inside? Ah, the dice. So many dice. So many white wooden dice. Alright. That's what's in all the different bags. Here's the globe. Let me show you how this globe works. I'll pop it out. And these two slots go into each other. And you'll see that there's a sort of recess here. And depending on the number of players and your kind of challenge, you can choose either a 2 to 4 player T or a 2 player platform, or a 3 to 6 player circle, or a 2 to 4 player circle. Let me show you how this one works. So you pop that out. It's a beautiful color, as you can tell. And then it sits in here. Like so. And when you play the game, you will end up putting carbon cubes on top. This is somewhat precarious because I am holding this Terra Globe. I probably might end up dropping a few. Whoa. Like so. So you get the idea. Okay, so that's our Terra Globe. And the other three platforms, we'll leave it on here. Let's take a look at the cards. These are country cards and action cards. So let's look at country cards. They look pretty much the same as the country cards from the card challenge game. So again, you can see the black cubes on the top right and the green cubes on your top left. And all the information on the countries below. These are the actions associated with each move. These are disasters. Okay, what else do we have here? I have not seen these red cards before, so let's take... Oh, disaster. Okay, we have a few energy cards at the top. So let's look at those. These must be the power plants, I think. Yeah, hydropower station. What you'll need, you need scientists, medic, and technologists. You'll need 3 money, 1 water, 2 mineral, and 2 fossil fuel, and it'll take you 9 carbon output to build. Hydropower station, solar power station requires a creator, but none of the specialists. You need money. Alright, that's interesting. It's a little bit different. These are the disasters. So you get tsunami, volcanoes, tsunami. And what are the actions you'll need to do to demonstrate that this crisis has occurred? And some sort of tracking on the sides. Volcano, virus, hurricane, tsunami again, firestorm. Cyclones, virus outbreak, flooding in Europe. Outbreaks in Africa. Typhoon. Okay, they're flooding, cyclone, volcano. More or less the same. Heat wave, that's another one I haven't seen. So heat waves in South America and various places, and the specific action, specific consequence that happens. Disaster. Okay, we have another deck of disaster cards. I wonder if this will be the same. There are some countries behind it. Hurricane, typhoon, virus. Okay, the same. And these country cards should be the same as well, so I'm going to put them together. That's a lot of country cards. They are such brightly colored cards. Such a joy to look at. These are energy action cards. These are the blue action cards. Lots more actions happening. You have an awareness card, so you read this out to the players. And you do get some benefits. You have an extra action, but they might cost you some carbon. I have not seen this card in our previous game. An impact, so what happens? You get to discard this for something. Oh, this is a critical impact card. We have a problem. Gotta play this card right now, and it has some consequences. This is a be special card to trade better. Congratulations, first scientist special action. So those are the action cards, and the last deck with some character rolls. Let me try again. Character cards. Okay, let's look at energy so we can put the energy together and look at the character cards. These are the techie, medic, scientist, and creator cards. So creator specialty, reduce build time. Reduce build time, place 3 carbon dioxide cubes. Scientist, set 1 resource for trading. Place carbon dioxide cubes. Heal workers, very useful. Heal 2 workers. Draw 2 cards, keep 1. Draw 3 cards. Place carbon cubes. So those are the character rolls. As you can see, that is a handful of cards to manage while we are playing this game. So many things, so many components. Great quality, great. We can't wait to take a look at this game and let you know how it plays and what we enjoy most about it and all the things that you can learn when you play Terraternity, the Energy Challenge by Igan Mich Games. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and we will see you in the next one.